In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create scheduling pages in Hubspot. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are on your main dashboard. We are going to create a scheduling page, which is the link you can share with people so they can pick an available time on your calendar without back and forth emails. First, go down to the bottom area of the left navigation where you will see a 3 dots menu. Click those 3 dots to open more options. From that expanded menu, select Sales. Once you are in the Sales section, choose Meetings. This takes you to the area where Hubspot manages meeting links, booking settings, and scheduling pages. On the meeting screen, look for the option that says Create Scheduling Page and click it. Hubspot will now ask what type of scheduling page you want to set up. Select One-on-One. This option is best when a single person is booking time directly with you, and it creates a simple booking experience that matches most sales calls, discovery calls, and quick check-ins. Next, you will be prompted to enter your event title. Choose a clear title that makes sense to the person booking, such as a consultation, onboarding call, or project discussion. The title is what invitees will see when they book, so keep it specific and professional. After you enter your event title, click Next to continue. Now you will set your availability. This is where you define the days and times you are willing to meet. Take a moment to align this with your real schedule so you do not accidentally open times you cannot take calls. If your availability varies by day, adjust it accordingly before moving forward. Once your availability looks correct, click Next. Finally, review what you have set up and click Finish. Hubspot will generate your scheduling page, and you can use that link to share with prospects or clients so they can book time based on your availability. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.